basics of cookies, then how to read a cookie, how to write a cookie, how to delete a cookie. Okay, you will study all this in cookies, and in the browser you will be seeing how opening of a window, giving the new window focus, giving the window position, then changing the content of the window, closing okay, then scrolling of a web page, then multiple window at once, how to open a multiple window at once, creating web page in a new window. You will be studying all this in browser. Okay, so in this unit there are two topics, cookies and browser. Okay, so first we will be starting with the cookies. Again, I have also explained what is meant by cookies. Again, I will explain it. So first, what is meant by a cookie? So the user information present in the web page can be stored by using a cookie. Okay, a user information present in the web pages can be stored by using a cookie. Cookies. So cookies is a small piece of information sent from the website and stored in the files on the user's computer. Okay, so cookie is a small text file that let you store a small amount of data on a user computer. You can store a wait. You can store a small amount of data in the cookies on the user's computer. Everyone can see my screen PPTs?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The main purpose of cookies is to store an information. Suppose I am entering a username as a student, it will be stored as a cookie. In that cookie, the value will be student. So the cookies are in the name value pair. It can be in the name value pair. In further slides, we will study how to create a cookies. First of all, we will see the different types of cookies. So there are three types of cookies. Okay? There are three types of cookies. First is session cookies, then persistent cookies, and then third party cookies. Okay, the main cookies we are going to study is session cookies and persistent cookies. So what is meant by session cookies? So these are the cookies temporary. So session cookies are temporary, which are erased when the user closes the browser. Okay, when we enter a username, password, or any data on the browser on any form, then the data is stored in the cookies. But when we close the browser, these cookies get erased. Okay, when we close the browser. So remember, these cookies are temporary, which are erased when the user closes the browser. Even if the user log in again, a new cookie for that session is created. Okay. So first, when the user log in, then the cookie is created. When the user close the browser, the cookie get erased. Again, when the user log in, then another session is started. Not the cookies which are stored are taken, because the cookies get erased when the browser is closed in session cookies. So everyone keep in mind that session cookies are temporary cookies which get erased when we close the browser. Okay. Then the second one is persistent cookies. Persistent cookies. So these cookies remains on the hard disk drive unless user wipes them off or they expire. Okay. So this is not the temporary cookie. Session cookie was our temporary cookie. When the user closes the browser, the cookies get erased. But the persistent cookies remains on the hard disk drive unless the user erase or wipe it off. or the cookie get expire. Till that the cookie remain. The cookie's expiry is dependent on how long they can last. We'll see how we can give a expiry to the cookies in next example. So first, understand session cookies are temporary cookies. Persistent cookies remain on the hard disk unless the user wipe it off.
सर आपण जे पासवर्ड सेव्ह करतो ते कुकीज मध्ये सेव्ड होता का?
हो, सपोज मी एखादा युजर नेम पासवर्ड टाकलाय, ठीक आहे, लॉग इन केलाय, युजर नेम पासवर्ड टाकलाय, पण त्याच्यानंतर मी जे काही पेजेस व्हिजिट करतो, बरोबर, तुमचं लॉग इन झाल्यानंतर तुम्ही बाकीचे पेजेस व्हिजिट करू शकता. तोपर्यंत तो कुकीज मधला डेटा तसाच असतो. सेशन तुमचा क्रिएट होतो, कुकी तुमच्या सेव्ह असतात. त्याच्यामुळे तुम्ही पुढचे पेजेस ज्यावेळेस ऍक्सेस करता त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला तो दरवेळेस युजर नेम पासवर्ड विचारत नाही. ओके, ज्यांनी जर कुकी सेट केलेले असतील, सेशन ओपन असेल, त्याला जर टाइम लिमिट दिलेला असेल तर त्या टायमिंग पुरता तो सेशन ओपन असेल, ऑटोमॅटिकली तो एक्सपायर झाला का तुमचा परत तुम्हाला लॉग इनला विचारतो. सपोज एखाद्या वेळेस तुम्ही आयडल ठेवलाय सिस्टीम, लॉग इन केलं, थोड्या वेळ निघून गेले बाहेर, ठीक आहे, 5 किंवा 10 मिनिटांनी आले, परत क्लिक केल्यानंतर परत तुम्हाला विचारतो युजर नेम पासवर्ड, बरोबर की नाही? तर त्यावेळेस ते एक्सपायर होतो तुमचं सेशन. ठीक आहे, तर दोन टाईपच्या कुकीज लक्षात. सेशन कुकी टेम्पररी आहे, पर्सिस्टन्स कुकी आर द मीन्स वेन द युजर वाईप इट ऑफ तोपर्यंतच असतात किंवा एक्सपायरी होत नाही तोपर्यंत. ओके, सो दिस आर द टाइप्स ऑफ कुकीज. देन वी विल सी हाऊ टू क्रिएट अ कुकी. ओके, कुकी कशा क्रिएट करायचं ते बघायचंय. सो टू क्रिएट अ कुकी we need to assign a value to cookie by using a document.cookie. Okay, so how we can create? We can create by using a document.cookie. See, I have written over here document.cookie. In that, how to give the cookie name equal to cookie name equal to value. Okay, so it is in the pane of name and value pair. This is name and this is value. So all the cookies are stored in the form of name and value. For that you have to take document.cookie equal to, in bracket, suppose I am taking username equal to student. Okay, so we have created a cookie. Thus the name value pair separated by equal sign and terminated by the delimiter like semicolon. The cookie can be assigned to the document.cookie. ठीक आहे, तर कुकी कशा क्रिएट करणार ते सगळं आपण एकच एक्झाम्पल बघणार आहे. क्रिएटिंग अ कुकी, रिनेमिंग द डिलीटिंग द कुकी अँड रीडिंग द कुकीज, कशा प्रकारे आपण रीड करू शकतो. सेकंड वन इज रीडिंग ऑफ अ कुकी. ठीक आहे, कुकी कशा प्रकारे आपल्याला रीड करता येते त्या बघायचे आहे आपल्याला. हाऊ वी कॅन रीड द कुकी. When the cookie is created, it can be read by the browser. The value of document.cookie object is the cookie. Okay, document.cookie object, and it is string format. So while reading, you will be using split function. Okay, using split function, the string of cookies is break into key and value pair. Because while creating a cookie, it is created using a name and value pair. Okay, by using split, we separate the name and value pair. Okay, we break into key and values. So we break this value pair into key and value. We will see the example of how to create a cookie, how to read a cookie.
सर डेटा टाइप काय राहिला नाही कुकीचा?
स्ट्रिंग मध्ये ना हे स्ट्रिंग कन्सिडर होणार, त्या स्ट्रिंगला आपण स्प्लिट करणार. ठीक आहे, आता एक्झाम्पल बघा. रीडिंग ऑफ एन कुकी, कशा प्रकारे कुकी आपल्याला रीड करता येते त्याचं एक्झाम्पल बघणार आहोत आपण. तर पहिले हाऊ टू क्रिएट अ कुकीचं एक्झाम्पल बघूया. ठीक आहे, फर्स्ट वी विल सी हाऊ टू क्रिएट अ how to create a cookie. For that, I'm taking okay, we will be creating first cookies. Okay, for that we will be taking HTML, then head tag, using of a head tag, then body tag, closing of a body tag, closing of an HTML. Okay, so we'll write first script in head tag. First, we will take body. In that, we will be taking our username. Okay, for that, I'm taking a username text box. We can take text box by taking input type equal to what we have to take input type equal to for text. What we are taking the component of text box. आन्सर द्या कोणीतरी. इनपुट टाइप काय घेतो आपण? इनपुट टाइप काय घेतो इथे? टेक्स्ट बॉक्स घ्यायचा आहे मला फॉर्म वरती. We take as a text and then ID equal to username. Closing of a tag. And I'm taking one button. For button, we take input type equal to button value equal to create a cookie. We are taking this button to create a cookie. When I click on this button, cookie will be created. Okay. On click. I'm taking an on click event. On clicking of the button, we'll call a function as a create cookie. Okay, we'll call the create cookie function. Closing of a tag. Okay, I have written the HTML tag. So I have created one text box and one button on the form. Then I will be writing a function in the script. For that, JavaScript we take as a script. You have to write full script. Script. In that, I'm taking one function. Function name was how to write a function. Function keyword. Then create cookie. Okay, I will take one variable in name underscore name equal to user name dot value. Okay, we will require in the value and document dot write. Okay, document dot cookie. For creating a cookie, we take equal to username underscore value. Simple. And I'm taking one alert to see which cookie has been created. So this is how we have taken one text box, input type text. In that we will be entering our username. Then on clicking of button, it will call a function, create cookie. Okay, first I'm saving. HTML. Okay, I have saved it. On clicking on the button, it will call a cookie function. In that we have taken main variable cookie name equal to username dot value. Whatever value it will be assigned, it will be given. So we have created. So I will run the program. See. So I will give name is RSM Poly. Okay. And click on the button create cookie. Okay, wait a minute, it is not showing the alert. Here will be cookie value. We are taking a value. Okay, so our cookie is created. Okay, so we have created our cookie. Next example, we will see how to read the cookies. Everyone understood how to create a cookie? It is simple. You have to just write document.cookie. Okay, for creating a cookie, we be using document.cookie. समजलं सगळ्यांना? document.cookie घ्यायचंय फक्त.
सर आता ती कुकी तुमच्या हार्ड डिस्क वर सेव्ह झाली असेल ना कुठेतरी?
हो, मग ती रीड कशी करायची ते दाखवतोय मी तुम्हाला आता. ओके, हे समजलं. क्रिएट document.cookie ने सिंपल क्रिएट करायची. मी एक टेक्स्ट बॉक्स घेतला, टेक्स्ट बॉक्स मध्ये एंटर केलं युजर नेम, बटनच्या क्लिक वरती फंक्शन कॉल केला आणि ती ते युजर नेम होतं मी कुकीला असाइन केलं. मीन्स माझी कुकी क्रिएट झाली. आता मी ती कुकी रीड कशी करणार? ती आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल बघूया आपण. हाऊ टू रीड अ कुकी. फॉर रीडिंग द कुकी वी यूज with function split. Okay, we will be using a split function. Okay, I'm taking this example only of reading a cookie. I will save it. Read a cookie. HTML. See, we have taken HTML tags in that. First, I will explain. In the body tag, we have taken one form. In that form, the name of the form we are given as my form. Action we are taking nothing. Okay. Then we have taken one input button. Input type equal to button. Then value, read a cookie or get a value. It depends on you. And on click, we are calling a read cookie function. Okay. When you click on a read cookie function, it will go in the function where we have taken one variable as all cookies. In that we have written all cookies equal to document.cookie. Okay. Then document.write all cookies plus all cookie means this one. Okay. We are appending means we are printing that. We are writing that. Then cookie array. We are, if there are number of cookies available, we are splitting that cookie. Okay, by using a split. So how to read it? Okay, for that cookie array equal to all cookie dot split. We are splitting these cookies. Okay, and the separator we are using here is semicolon. Okay, then we are taking a for loop for that. Till the length of the cookie array is there, it will be loop and we will get a value. For name cookie array I split into 0, then the value split 1. Okay, then we will writing key is and value is, because the cookie are set in the key and value pair. So by splitting we are separating the key and value pair. So we will see how it happens. Okay, next example, read cookie. Okay, so simply we have taken one button. On clicking on the button, it will call a function. Okay, so I will click. Okay, we have nothing to show over here. So how we can read? Okay, for that we will be here where all cookies equal to for that we will be doing okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Document.cookie we have written here. Wait a minute, some error is coming.